Hi, this is Luis Vargas. We are here at the Cattle Call parade, getting ready to start this parade.
My daughters.
Here's my compadres, and here's Jay.
Merry Christmas. Hi.
We're getting ready to start the parade.
Yes, and it will be a lot of fun.
Here is Jamie. Here is Ritu.
Hi.
And here is Cesar.
Are you gonna pass out some candies?
So we are getting ready to start this parade. It should be a lot of fun. And we're ready to enjoy this beautiful day here in Brawley, California, where we do our business, and we do business all over the Imperial Valley. So if you ever need our services, this will be Exit Imperial Realty, and you can contact me directly at 760-235-9688. I'll be glad to serve you. Again, we are getting ready to start the parade, and here are all the people enjoying, and it should be a lot of fun.